Have you ever noticed that when you hear a notification sound on your phone, you feel a little jump in your chest, like your heart gives a tiny leap before you've even seen who messaged you?
Absolutely. And it's not just with messages. It happens with important emails, bank alerts, or even the microwave beep when I'm waiting for something urgent. It's as if the body reacts before the mind even understands what's happening.
Exactly. And here's what's curious. This isn't a sign of anxiety. It's a very ancient response we humans carry. Picture our ancestors hearing an unexpected noise at night. Their hearts would immediately speed up to prepare the body for the unknown. Today, when a notification sounds, the system responds almost the same way. We don't know if it's good or bad news, so the heart says, "Ready, I'm prepared for whatever comes."
I love that idea of the prepared heart, because it's not fear or stress or even expectation necessarily. It's simply that the brain recognizes a new, unpredictable stimulus, and the body responds by activating its gentle alert system. It's as if the heart says, "Attention, something new has just entered your world."
And here's the interesting part. This momentary acceleration lasts only a few seconds. It's so brief that we often don't consciously notice it. But if we pay attention, we feel that slightly stronger heartbeat, that gentle thump in the chest. It's the sympathetic nervous system doing its quiet work, preparing the body to respond quickly to the new.
What a precise observation. And the tenderest part is that the body also knows how to return to its normal rhythm almost immediately. When you see it's just a message from a neighborhood group or a store promotion, what happens? The heart calms down on its own, without you having to do anything. It's as if it says, that's all it was. I can relax again.
That's why it's important not to panic when you notice it. Many people think, something's wrong with my heart, I must be stressed. But really, it's just the body doing its basic vigilance job. The difference lies in frequency and duration. If it's occasional with specific notifications, it's normal adaptation. If it were constant without clear triggers, that's when it would be worth discussing with a healthcare professional.
Completely agree. And I want to add something gentle. Noticing that little heart jump can actually be a kind signal, like a quiet reminder that says, "Hey, something new has just entered your attention." In that moment, without judgment, you can simply allow yourself one conscious breath, not to calm the heart, but just to accompany your body while it processes the new.
I like that idea of accompanying without intervening, because if you try to control the heartbeat forcefully, it sometimes creates more tension. But if you simply notice, my heart gave a little leap, and allow your breathing to flow gently, the body returns on its own to its natural rhythm. It's like watching a wave in the ocean. You don't stop it, you just let it pass.
What a great metaphor. And this applies to other unexpected stimuli too. The doorbell ringing, a landline phone sounding, or even when someone calls your name in a crowd. Any new, unpredictable sound can trigger this gentle heart response. It's not exclusive to digital notifications. It's part of being human in a world full of constant stimuli.
And let's talk about teenagers, because they experience this intensely. With every message sound, with every social media alert, their hearts respond with more intensity. It's normal. They're learning to navigate a world of instant communication for the first time. With time, the body learns to modulate this response. Not every notification requires maximum alert. The heart stays calmer because experience teaches us to distinguish between what needs immediate attention and what can wait.
It's like learning to walk in a noisy city. At first, every honk, every siren makes the heart speed up. With time, the body learns to filter sounds, the heart stays more stable, and one can move calmly through the bustle. With notifications, it's the same. With awareness, the body learns to maintain serenity even in a world of constant alerts.
An important point. If this accelerated heartbeat comes with chest pain, intense dizziness, or difficulty breathing, that's no longer the adaptive response we're describing. Those are signals that deserve medical attention without delay. What we're talking about today is that momentary little jump that disappears within seconds, not persistent cardiovascular symptoms.
And if you notice your heart beats fast almost all day, even when you're in silence or resting, it's also a good moment to discuss it with a healthcare professional. Not because something's broken, but because you deserve to understand what's happening in your body and have support if you need it. Taking care of yourself includes knowing when to ask for a professional perspective.
Back to everyday life. How can we gently accompany this natural response without turning it into another worry? It's simple. When you notice that little heart jump, ask yourself one soft question. What just entered my attention? Without judgment, just observation. Often when we identify the source, a message, an alert, a sound, the body itself calms down upon understanding there's no real danger.
I join that gentle invitation, observing without criticism. Like when you notice you're cold and put on a blanket without making a big deal of it. With the heart, it's the same. You notice the stronger beat, recognize the cause, and allow the body to return to its natural rhythm. No drama, no turning it into another alarm signal.
And something curious I've observed. When we allow our hearts to respond and calm naturally to notifications, our relationship with technology changes. Not because we change our habits, but because we understand that little jump isn't an emergency. It's simply the body saying something new arrived. And by not reacting with urgency, we create space to choose how to respond, rather than reacting automatically.
What a valuable observation. It's as if that little heartbeat creates a natural pause before acting. Instead of grabbing the phone immediately, that extra second allows us to ask, does this really need my attention right now? It's not magic. It's the body creating a space for conscious choice in a world that demands immediate responses.
To wrap up clearly, the little heart jump in response to an unexpected notification is a normal physiological response. It doesn't indicate heart problems. It doesn't mean you're addicted to technology. It's simply your nervous system briefly preparing for the new and unpredictable.
And the most human part of all, that heartbeat is at its heart a sign that you're alive and connected. Your body responds because you participate in a dynamic world where new things constantly arrive. It's not a flaw. It's a physical expression of your capacity to be present in a constant flow of information.
Essential ethical reminder. This conversation describes normal physiological responses in people without diagnosed medical conditions. It is not medical advice or diagnosis. If you experience persistent or new cardiovascular symptoms, always consult your trusted healthcare provider. The information shared here aims for understanding, not replacing personalized medical care.
Thank you for joining us for this 4th episode of Neuro Hacks About You. We've chatted about that little heart jump when a notification arrives, without jargon, with respect to your everyday experience. Remember, noticing your body with gentle curiosity is already an act of self-care.
Next episode, why hands get cold when feeling watched. A simple conversation about the silent language of your circulation. Until then, observe your heart with kindness. Neuro Hacks About You. Science to understand your everyday life.